Okay, you can stop. I just got done voting. It was so much fun to connect the little line, and I got my sticker.